If you want to know ways to support independent artists, you can, like I said, number one, share their music. You can like and comment on their posts. You can go to their events, buy their merch. Um, in any way, there's so many free ways to support if all you can do is, just support in that way. And like I said, just share their stuff, like playlist their music. And like I said, if you're listening to this before, pre-save the music and, yeah, just help it go out into the more you engage with the music, the more it pushes the artist out and helps other people find the music, find the artist, especially if you can see that they're doing a good thing, they stand for something positive, they're encouraging people to connect with God. You agree with their, what they're about, and you think other people should connect with them. Why not support the independent artist? Anyway,
Just a bit.
she's back.
Talk about Bloom Experience, which is happening on the 20th of August, and we all get to be a part of that. So it's called The Bloom Journey, a live music experience featuring her new single, and there's some other treats in there. I'll let her talk about it when she gets on the air. But it's going to be a night of music.
Okay, we are live with Anchor Radio.